Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I will teach you about the best websites from where you can learn a particular skill. So guys, in today's video, I will teach you about augmented reality, that how you can I will teach you about the best websites from where you can learn about augmented reality. Guys, as you know our video format, first we will go to Fiverr and check that if there is a demand of this skill or not, and competition, check the competition on Fiverr, and then we will go towards our websites. So first of all, I will go to fiverr.com. If you don't know about fiverr.com, fiverr.com is one of the best freelancing marketplace where you can sell your services online and people buy it. So here I search augmented reality, and you can see there are only 465 services available. Means it has a good low competition and good service. And let's see Fiverr choice, and we will open one or two three gigs with good reviews. So mm, yeah, so the first is Fiverr choice. Name is Jamil Qureshi. He's from Pakistan. And let's see, I will make AR augmented reality app for iOS and Android using Unity 3D. In basic package, a very basic AR app in which you can observe AR single mode or video. In standard package, he charged $1,000. And advanced AR app, detailed AR app with proper functionalities, multiple models and videos, and basic app design. In premium, he charged $3,000 and more advanced AR app with all the advanced feature, cloud location, AR human detection, and more. So good. After that, he completed 191 orders. That's great. And he got 19 five-star reviews. And that's good. Then go towards second gig. I will develop augmented reality apps using Unity 3D, Arcade, Arcora, and Euphoria. And he charged in basic, he's Hasib Asif, and three orders in queue, 151 five-star reviews, and he's his portfolio. You can also check his gig description, but do not copy his gig description. Take an idea and make your own. In basic package, he charged $105, and basic AR app, Android, iOS, augmented one, provide 3D model on any image target, simple button to open any link URL link. In standard, he charged $305, and interactive AR app. In premium, he charged $1,005 and 7 days delivery. So guys, this is a good skill to work on, and you can check his profile. And he is, I think, augmented reality developer. And I will do. He got 4 gigs and he got good reviews. And I think he is from on Fiverr from December 2017, and last delivery 11 days. And he got 281 five-star and four 4-star reviews. No bad review, and you can also check out his reviews. So I think this skill is worth learning, and you can learn from here. And the last gig is I will create augmented reality AR apps with Unity 3D, Mahir. And he got 65 five-star reviews. Basic he charged $100, standard he charged $250, and premium he charged $500. And you can also check out his gig, and do not copy his gig description, make your own. We will open his profile. He's from Pakistan. And let's see, he has only 1 gig, and on the basis of which he earned thousands of dollars. So that's great. And he's from June 2016. So I think Fiverr part is over now, and let's go towards our websites. So the first website to learn augmented reality is Unity itself. Unity is a game engine. By using, you can create beautiful games and interactive games. So it learn Unity. loading and unloading a 360 video, Unity development for Magic Leap 2. These are augmented reality courses. So, like setting up AR Foundation, VR, virtual reality, augmented reality foundations, setting up the development environment for augmented reality applications. These are the tutorials you can learn from these tutorials and be a professional augmented reality developer. After that, the second video is from Apple. As you know, Apple is one of the best technology companies, and they also work on augmented reality. So you can also learn augmented reality from here. And these are the augmented reality kit you can learn from here. These are the tutorials and learn from them. After that, the biggest website, Google itself. Google also work on augmented reality, and he made the tutorials on augmented reality. You can learn augmented reality from here also. So these are the three websites from where you can learn augmented reality. Guys, this is a very rapidly growing skill, so you must work on it. And I think that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.